I wanted to take a moment to share a tool with everyone that I found useful as I was looking through these carpet samples. If you go to the Maslin site and you pick a specific sample that you want to look at, there's a carpet modulator tool. And if you click that button, it presents you with a grid and your selected tile. And you can actually drag that tile into the grid just like this, place it, and then you can drag it again and you can continue dragging and placing these tiles in the grid, and it will actually show you or give you a representation of what the tile looks like if it's spread out across the floor. So I found this to be really helpful because looking at the tiles individually sometimes doesn't give you much of a sense of what it's going to look like over the space. And so just by dragging these tiles over here and placing each one, you can see that I start to get an idea of what it would look like over the entire space as I as I would lay the tiles on the floor. So I continue to do this. I'm going to do 2 rows of this particular tile. Just take me a second to drag the tiles in there. So you can see how that pattern is now starting to come together. And then if you want to compare it to another one of these tile colors, you can actually choose a different color. So let's say I choose this color. It's got some red in it. I don't think I would choose this color, but just for the example, I can start to place this tile into that same grid, and I can lay out a couple rows of that as well to see what that pattern looks like on the floor with those colors. I hope you find this helpful and that it helps in some of the decision-making process when you're looking at these carpet tiles, trying to figure out what would be the best choice for the LRC. Thanks.